How's it going, guys? With this big market downturn here, we had lots of red. Which big cap stock are you guys looking at? I got to show you guys INTC. I showed you guys DXCM back in the day when it had a big move, something that's very similar like this, right? So I just want to show you guys what I was thinking about this one, and this is more for your dead cat bounce where you can make easy gains here. DXCM, amidst the big things that it just went down, it had a big move up. Why? You guys might ask. Why is it that the market went down, but DXCM went up? And I'll show you guys exactly what I see with INTC. INTC is having this big, massive move down. I didn't like it as much this time, but now if I look at the ATR levels, we are sitting at roughly a 6 if you look at this thing here. When you are at a 6 ATR on a bigger cap stock, it just does not like staying in that area. A lot of the times what you'll see is a dead cat bounce to go back up to the 4 ATR or EMA 5. Kind of like what we had with DXCM. We had this 6 ATR where it hit it, dead cat bounce to EMA 5, and then it can go back down if it wants to. But we already made our money where it just doesn't even matter. So INTC, Intel Corp, solid company, big cap stock, and we're looking for that dead cat bounce. We have the 6 ATR, and like I said, it's kind of respecting it, and we're trying to see, can it go lower? Sure, but we're looking for that bounce up here, guys. So another thing you want to look at is the 6.97 on the KDJ. If we compare these charts here, it's even better than what DXCM had. It was a 16, so I think this is a very nice conservative area here, especially with this market downturn here. I think this is going to start coming up. It's up 1% after hours, so let's keep an eye on INTC and see where it goes. I'm going to put my settings back normal. If you guys understand my settings and understand what I do, I use the standard settings of the ATR4. That's where price is very oversold, and if it goes well under to like the 5 or 6, then that is your dead cat bounce type of play. A lot of the times I look for time distance away from the EMA 10 and 20. We do have some of that time distance away, but I understood we had earnings. It's not so great, and we would look for, could it go even lower? And that's why that time distance helps, because I can start forming, well, what is the trend? Do we have a short-term trend where we could see, okay, where price has to bounce? Well, we obviously see some type of trend here where we had the highs here, and then we're kind of having a low. If this starts to bounce, then we see, but if this has some more daily candles here, then I can do a more shorter term trend here. If we look at basic support and resistance, 1929, we're at some very extreme levels, guys. We'll have to use the weekly chart to even look at this. And if you look at the weekly chart too, we're hitting an ATR4 almost on the weekly chart. So this is looking very bullish, guys. Right in here is like the big area, 1963. Looks like we hit a low of 1929. It tried to break it, and we went back above this very important area back in 2015 of August. I mean, guys, 2015 valuation, 2024, it just slashed all of its value here, and literally, in a couple weeks here. Since 2023, it just had a big, nasty downturn. INTC, definitely on watch. Big cap stock. I suspect a dead cat bounce, at least to the ATR4, or, $22, or the EMA 5, which is going to fluctuate. Keep this one on watch, guys. Yeah, and that's really what we were doing with DXCM. This was the ATR4. We knew we calculated at the ATR6. They had this earnings, and just because the market was terrible, the algos had to fluctuate to where it had to be, and we finally hit the EMA 5, and now we have rejection. And that's the same thing that I'm seeing with INTC. Something kind of like that move up, rejection on the EMA 5, and then calm it down. So I hope you guys like this video. This is INTC, my Intel Corp analysis. The last time I made a video, I said give this thing a little breather on 802. It's just not there yet. It was at an ATR 5. We want to see the ATR 6 for the dead cat bounce if you're going to play without time distance. You guys that watch my videos or in my Discord, see my alerts, and how we win over 95% of the time is because we're using the time distance. We know price has to hit the EMA 5, 10, and 20. Every time you see in history where price goes down, we hit the ATR 4, we come back up to hit that EMA 20, make massive money on options. And same thing with the upper band. We sell when it hits the upper band. We buy puts. Price comes back down to the EMA 20 and all that, guys. So hope you guys hope to see you guys in the Discord. If you guys want to join, the link's down below. into the YouTube comments. I'll pin it. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll be in the description. You can't miss it. I'm looking for these big cap stocks that people are like, okay, I like this stock. Well, where do I look to buy it, right? Where do I look to buy a stock when the market is bloody red? And these are the areas that I'm telling you guys. So if you join the premium Discord, you have free chat. When you join, please read how to subscribe. If you have an Android, you'll have to use a computer, your phone's browser. Try to avoid scammers. We are a bigger server. We have over 4,000 members, so a lot of people will message you in my name. It's not me. I'll never DM you or message you first. All you have to do is head on over to Server Shop, and you'll see Swing Trading Plus and Day and Swing Trading Plus. The Day and Swing Trading Plus is $12 a month, and it's an all-time low cost that I promise you will make back, and you will make thousands of dollars and be consistently profitable if you follow these rules, watch the education videos, and understand how algorithms work. So, $12 a month, subscribe on computer. It's a flat rate. If you do it on your phone, you'll pay a little more. So try to do a computer or your phone's browser. You'll get access to day trading education. And you'll get all these alerts for $12 a month. You get access to day trade alerts, and you'll see one of our alerts went up 100%. Day trade chat, and you'll see a community RTK journal where you could say, okay, what is your win rate, right, and all that. So you can see right in here what is your stocks you're holding. You can see right in here I have 2 open positions, very easy to understand, and then I have all wins in the past couple months there. Day trading is obviously mostly profitable. It's the best strategy in my opinion because you're in and out, you're not holding overnight, you don't have to worry about it, and you'll make 10 to 20% consistent wins on each play, and you'll hold these trades with a max of 10 minutes, and you'll be very profitable, guys. And we're all doing this strategy based on what algorithms do. Reversion to the mean, using shorter time frames for day trades, longer time frames for swing trades. It's that easy, guys. Keep it simple, stupid, is what I say. Swing trade alerts look like this, and you just kind of see like a general thing, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is Intel Corp, so I'm just going over some of the best companies in the world that I think are good in this big market downturn. So I'll see you guys in the Discord. Like I said, guys, I love you all. I want everyone to be profitable. I don't think it's funny that people lose money. I'm just giving you guys my analysis. If you guys like the video, I appreciate it. Give it a comment. I'll read all your comments, subscribe, and all that. And thank you so much, guys. Peace out.